Hey there, I'm meteorologist Jamie Singleton. I hope you're having a great Christmas day out there. It's been a bit interesting here in the Weather Center. I've been monitoring the latest computer models, and our system has been giving us the headaches all week, and headaches really for much of the country. In Oklahoma today, Oklahoma City this morning, there was a major pileup, presumably from ice, on Interstate I-40 going westbound. Some 21 cars involved in that, and the same system is hitting in our direction already in Roanoke. We do have freezing rain advisories up, and that also includes parts of the New River Valley. So we've got a dynamic system hitting our way. We've got temperatures that are right on the cusp of rain to mix to snow through this whole event, and we've got a lot of energy heading our way too, so we could actually get some thunder in here tomorrow afternoon and some heavier moisture, and that's some good news, I guess, for some of you, especially in Southside. Let's break it all down for you. I'll show you what's going on. We do have there in the purple blue, you see that shading there, including Blacksburg, Montgomery County, Giles County, Craig County, Botetourt County, Fincastle, including the Daleville area, in Troutville, also in Amherst County. Those are freezing rain advisories which go into effect at 1 o'clock in the morning tomorrow morning through 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. That's for the concern that we're going to have the rain moving in, changing over to perhaps periods of mix and freezing rain. Bridges, overpasses, things like that need to be watched. Where the air is even colder up in the clouds toward Covington, and you can see there Rockbridge County, Lexington, and Buena Vista. Watch out, you're under a ice storm warning where you may see some sleet and snow and rain all mixed, turning over to just freezing rain for much of the day Wednesday. It's going to take a lot longer to dislodge that cold air near the surface in some of the deeper valleys during the day Wednesday as that moisture continues to push into the area. So we've got the cold air getting stuck underneath a lot of moisture. It's moving in, and temperatures also kind of changing there on us as well. All right, we'll advance this to show you how temperatures today have been warm in lower 50s across much of the area, 40s in the mountains. Here's our future cast. Pay careful attention to this. I'm going to put it into motion. Clouds have been on the increase throughout the day today. They'll thicken up by midnight tonight, in fact. It's cloudy in Lynchburg, and in this model actually showing rain developing in the New River Valley as far as southwest Virginia for Grayson County and for Galax. Could be some sleet pellets in there as well. As we advance this, watch the color table change. There you see it. We get a swath of snow and mix here that may move through in the early morning hours. I'm talking 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning Wednesday through about 7 to 8 o'clock Wednesday morning as we're getting up for our morning commute. If you've got to go back to school or work, not school, but work anyway, we're looking at the possibility of a wintry mix for just about everybody but Southside. So everybody has a chance of getting some sort of wintry mix during the morning hours of Wednesday, and we could see that linger as freezing rain, especially Roanoke, where we have the freezing rain advisories in effect, and then Lynchburg and points north. Although Lynchburg technically isn't under any type of an advisory, we still need to watch the bridges and the overpasses out there. Notice how long that purple sticks around by lunchtime. Most areas are just in rain, but if you go into the Craig County areas, and this lines up right where the National Weather Service has these advisories, into the Allegheny Highlands in West Virginia, it's a wintry mix, and mainly just by that point, probably more of a just freezing rain or sleet scenario for our farthest northwest counties. I want to add something here. There's so much energy with the system that by lunchtime tomorrow for Wednesday, look back at this map here. Watch the yellow right there between Franklin County and Danville, Henry County. There's going to be enough energy and dynamics with this such that we may see some rain become very heavy, embedded with thunder. We could see thunder and sleet and freezing rain all at the same time. It wouldn't be out of the question. And some severe weather down across the Carolinas. That's just how strong this system is as it pushes through the area. And then we'll see a burst of maybe snow on the backside of this, or at least some snow showers, especially in the mountains as we wrap this system up. You can see it right there on our future cast as it rolls into motion there and pinwheels through the area. That would be the upper level low. So you can see off to the west, the left part of your screen, that's the system that we're looking at right there through Dallas. The severe weather already breaking out. The moisture is on the way in. And watch our temperatures. They get colder. So we had the 50s stay, but you see that swath of warm air swing back through? That's up in the cloud layer. That's why we're not expecting much snow. We're expecting more of a mix out there. And then behind it by Thursday at 7 o'clock, it's rather chilly and blustery and very windy for the day Thursday. As a strong system moves out, you always get rather impressive winds on the back side of it. So our future cast, snow and ice, and this may be a bit overdone, but concern yourself mainly with the bridges and overpasses and some of the mountainous areas of Roanoke County, even the Blue Ridge Parkway. Not even out of the question that the higher elevations around Bedford County, Peaks of Otter, Livingston, Nelson County could see some slushy accumulations or maybe some slick spots on area roadways, and especially Allegheny County, Rockbridge County, Covington, the Allegheny Highlands. You need to watch this as well, just for the possibility. It doesn't take much ice, even if you're on four-wheel drive, to create hazardous travel out there. So that's something that we'll continue to watch for you there very carefully. So there's, again, a breakdown of the advisories as we see it now. That's the latest from the ABC Weather Center. I'm meteorologist Jamie Singleton. I'll keep an eye on this for you on our Facebook page and also on my personal page as well. We'll link them up together. Mike Goldberg's going to be in at 11 o'clock tonight, and I'll keep our webpage up to date for you as well. And if we need to update you on the radio and throughout all our outlets here at ABC 13, I'll be the one doing it, and Mike will be in later on today. That's the very latest. Stay safe out there and have a merry rest of your Christmas day.